Make it count. Make it count. Presenting the all-new Counter Blox, the smartest way to count anything.
Ready for takeoff?
Yes, sir.
Counter Blox has two powerful modes. Timer mode for time-based counting using a clock blocks and sensor mode for sensor-based counting using different type of sensor blocks. For timer mode, let's set an alarm for 5 seconds. To do that, attach power blocks, clock blocks, counter blocks and outputs like lamp and buzzer. Clock blocks, when turned on, gives a pulse every 1 second. When connected to the counter, it helps to count the time. In the counter, in the stop and start part, set the button to stop. Now, turn on the power blocks. Set the desired time for the reminder with the up and down arrows. Here, we'll set it to 5. From one time and loop option, select one time. One time will turn on the output once at the end of the alarm. Loop will repeat the alarm again and again. Once done, switch to start. Now, the counter starts counting time. With this mode, you can also play a fun, time-based challenge with your friends, where the goal is to put balls of the same color in one glass. Go.
Go.
Go. Yes. Now, let's see the sensor mode. For this, join a sensor to the counter and then we can perform sensor-based counting. Now, there are 4 animals. Now there are 3. Now, there are 2 animals. Now, only 1 animal is left. Now, there are none. With the sensor mode, we can build a basketball game that counts how many attempts we need to score one basket. Here, the counter displays how many attempts are left for the user. We can also make a toy counting conveyor that knows how many toys go inside a box. Also, in the timer mode, we can count time in minutes and hours, like setting a 2-minute reminder for making Maggie, or an hourly reminder for us to drink water. Finally, with multiple counter blocks, we can build a forever clock that will last forever.